Okay, apologize for the background noise because what is even happening out there? I don't even know why it's that loud. And it's 13% battery. And I was going to stream off of the iMac. We'll probably switch to iMac for this stream because I want to do it with I want to do macOS 14 as well, and we tried to do macOS 14 last week. That did not work well. Oh, finally the iMac loads up. I was trying to load up the iMac, but because it's on a hard drive, it runs super slow. So let me plug in. I was not prepared for this at all. I was not prepared for this at all. So let me plug this into charge. Load up QuickTime, and then we'll get this show on the road. We're gonna do it on the MacBook first, and then we're gonna switch over to the iMac when we get to macOS 14 installation. There it is. We're here. So I haven't even checked if the OTA is available yet for iOS 17 Beta 5. I haven't even checked that yet. Hope it is. Because everyone, apparently it's on the software update server, so I saw like Mac Rumors tweeted out first, like iOS 17 Beta 5 is available now. Aaron Zolo says it's out with the OTA, so yeah. Yeah, here we are. So come on. Is it what? Unable to check for update. What the? Okay. There it is. Okay, iOS 17 Beta 5. We're to download it now. Alright, we're good. Oh, almost disconnected it. Alright, now we're good. Yeah, so there we are. Oh yeah, USB-C images of the iPhone 15 leaked today. That's cool. Alright. But yeah, I realized I'm on 5G on my iPhone because AT&T's or Xfinity's not doing it. Oh, Kyle is already in the chat, obviously. Hang on, let me turn off auto lock real quick because it keeps dimming. Hang on. Oh wait, no, not wallpaper. Display and brightness. I've heard a lot of people complain about iOS 17 Beta 4. So hopefully Beta 5 fixes some of those issues. But like, from what I know, so like last year iOS 16 Beta 5, that was when we got battery percentage back. So I wonder what we're gonna get for iOS 17 Beta 5. What's new? It literally just came out. Oh my gosh, I can't see what's new right now. Yeah. But like the last video I released yesterday was the September 12th event. That video absolutely, when it first, why is it keep saying unable to check for update? When that video, I first released that video, it was barely getting any views. So you may have noticed I changed the thumbnail and I also changed the title to September 12th event leaked. Yes, I stole that from Sam from Appletrack. Yes. And so now the video is getting some views, so that's good. I was about to, private the video if it doesn't get any views. Yeah, I know, but yeah. Come on, why is it being... It literally if you rewind the stream a little bit, it showed it there. Yeah, unable to check for update. That's what it's showing for me as well. I'm going to stream when we get iOS 17 done. I'm going to stream off of the iMac, the 2009 iMac, and the reason why is because we can do macOS Sonoma Beta 5, which also came out today. I tried to do that last week on the stream. That failed spectacularly. The stream completely died from that, so that's why we're gonna do it. That's why I'm gonna stream off of the iMac and then screen share my MacBook. So everything's good. Okay, it keeps saying unable to check for update. Apparently this is like not. This is a widespread issue. Also, what the hell is happening outside? Oh, construction. Perfect time to stream an iOS installation when there's construction going on. So if you hear the background noise, it's construction going on. Yikes. Alright, so yeah, but it is not working here. I don't know what is happening. What is happening? Apparently this is not just a me thing. This is the AT&T one, which is okay. Should I just I'm gonna do a personal hotspot just to double check, because yeah, I'm gonna do a personal hotspot on my iPhone SE3. This is the iPhone SE2, so not cellular. There's no SIM card in here. So, my iPhone Xfinity has been a bit terrible. I saw someone like tweet out about some sort of like issue with the Samsung like battery exploding thing. When batteries are expanding, not just on like the Note 7 or whatever, but like on like this guy was saying for S21 FE. So I was like rewatching that video, and Xfinity just decided to say like no, it just went out. It's like no, fuck you. So yeah. Okay, so it's still not showing up. It's still checking for update. It's still checking for updates. So what is happening? It's still unable to check for update. This is apparently not just a me thing. So yeah, it's 9:41 a.m. for you. No, it's not. It's that's just what QuickTime shows up here. So what is happening? What? Oh, there it is. We're back. All right, there we go. We're good. All right. So yeah. Oh, works. Oh, works for you. Okay, good. So at least it works for someone here. Okay, nobody touch anything. It's working now, but okay, well, it's still saying preparing for updates. So what if I just refresh? Man, can they just shut up out there? Come on. Why'd you have to do this when I'm streaming? Why'd you have to do this when I'm streaming? Come on. Yeah. Okay, so... Oh no, don't tell me it's gonna show up that... Don't you dare. Don't you dare. I feel like I'm dang part here. Don't you dare. Don't. There it is. Okay, we're back. Alright. Let me set up the iMac as well so that we can get it working there with macOS Sonoma. Because we did the test stream last week, and the test stream worked out well. So there we go. It shows a progress bar. All right, we're good. So we're not touching anything here, because it's being very terrible right now. So yeah, we're not touching anything. Oh man, what are they even doing out there? Is that like... What are they even doing? Oh man, I wish I had like soundproofing foam or whatever, so we don't have to hear that. Yeah. Let me set up the iMac stream as well so that we can get that working when we do macOS Sonoma Beta 5. Which, speaking of that, let me load up on a different window here. So we got... Hang on, let me try to do Sidecar on my iPad. Where is my iPad anyway? Where's my iPad? Oh, that's my water valve. Spilled it almost. Yeah, it was just like... I knew like the iOS 17 Beta 5 was probably coming out today, so it was like... I was just like... Yeah, so I was like going to the bathroom literally and just like saw the notification iOS 17 Beta 5 is out, so I was like, oh shoot, gotta finish this up quick and then do it. So yeah. But yeah, here we are. So we got the preparing update thing. Okay. It is does it happen in the stream? Can you hear it on the stream? Can you hear it on the stream? Can you hear it on the stream? Oh yeah, you definitely can. You can hear it. Sorry for the ear rape there. Alright, let me set up the iMac real quick. Oh, it's finally showing up. Okay, so it was a widespread issue. So it's not just an issue on my end, it's an issue on everyone's end. But we're loading up that. We did the stream on the iMac. The only issue with the iMac is that the microphone kind of sucks. So, yeah. Oh, it's finally quieting. It's bit quieter now, so that's good. Okay. At least I have unlimited hotspots, so even if we can install this entire beta on it, and it's gonna be fine. So, yeah. a lot of Chrome on here because Safari on El Capitan does not work. So yeah. Alright, yeah, spinning a hard drive is definitely going to be a bottleneck with the iMac. I think I'll install, like, I'll probably patch, like, a newer macOS on the SSD I have, because that's going to be way faster than the hard drive. But it's USB 2, though, so it's not going to be that fast. Yeah. Alright, let's load YouTube Studio on here. Oh, now it's going up. Great. Oh my god. We're gonna go up AT&T because that's being more stable right now. Oh my god, dude. Are you really gonna be that loud right now? Are you really gonna be that loud? Yeah. Hopefully, hang on, let me see if they put out the release notes for iOS 17 Beta 5. Let me look that up. And hopefully they put out the download for macOS Sonoma as well. So, let's do developer.apple.com. Hang on. Let's see. Oops. New game porting toolkit or Metal Developer Tools. More of that got released. So that's good. Nope, still beta 4 for the stuff there. Mac not working. Only watch and phone. Yeah. So it's not released for Mac OS yet. So we're gonna have to wait for that. But let's see the release notes. Oh no, it's still beta 4 for the release notes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so it's still beta 4 for the release notes. Alright, well, yeah, so we're gonna have to wait for that. For now, let me set up the iMac. So when we are gonna stream macOS Sonoma, we can do it without any problems. Only problem is gonna be the microphone, whatever. So, alright, how to do live control room. And whatever it is. There we go. Analytics. Copy the stream key, paste it into OBS on the iMac. So we're not going to stream off the iMac yet. We're going to stream good off the MacBook, and then when we get to macOS Sonoma, stream off the iMac. It's weird to me how you need to press Windows key for a command key on Windows keys on the Mac. It's interesting. So yeah, you have that there. I'm thinking even with this, we could probably even do Vision OS if we wanted to. So, but yeah. Yikes! Why do we have to do this? Why do you have to do this when I'm doing the stream? Yeah. Yeah, man. And so preparing updates. So let's. I'm gonna keep looking at the release notes on my phone. See if they still released them. Still beta 4 for release notes. For downloads, it's still beta 4 for everything. So yeah, they haven't released that yet. So yeah. Okay, preparing update. Oh, tvOS also got released, so yep. Yeah, everything got released. So it's watchOS 10 beta 5, macOS Sonoma beta 5, iOS 17, iPadOS 17 beta 5s. I wonder again, because last year with iOS 16 beta 5, they released a That's when they added back the battery percentage in iOS 16 beta 5. So I wonder what they're gonna do for iOS 17 beta 5. Hopefully they add back, something. Hopefully they add like what is like one of the more requested features that people want, like yeah, I don't know. One of your videos, Apple Wonderful Choice, is 160K. Yeah, that video, I have no idea. Like that video got was getting like thousands of views. It was like a 20K views at the beginning of this year. I don't know what happened, but that video just like it went from 20K to 120K within a month. So I have no idea how that happened. I have no idea how that happened. It just happened. So, yeah. HomePod only works public beta. Yeah, I don't know about the HomePod one. I know like the HomePod Mini, you can like connect it to a computer because it has USB-C at the end, so you can connect the HomePod Mini to a computer. I've seen it work. So yeah, that's interesting. Man, they really got to do the construction out there, man. Yeah. But yeah, I saw like they also last week they re-released iOS 17 beta 4, and they made an iOS 17 configuration profile, which they haven't made before. So yeah, they made that, which is cool, I guess. It's actually called. It's not like iOS iPadOS 16. It's actually called iOS iPadOS 17. So yeah, for the configuration profile. So that's interesting. But everyone here on X, I guess I should call it. Everyone here on X is tweeting about it. So yeah, yeah. Oh, Fire Phone. Yeah. Yeah, so Quinn from Snazzy said something about the R1T or something. Yeah. So yeah, everyone. Oh, so it said 1.1 gigabytes apparently for iOS 17 beta 5. So yeah, I wonder how big was iOS 17 beta 5 when it showed up. It was like what, like how big was iOS 17 beta 5? It is keep it up as an app dev. I really appreciate the videos explaining everything new in a quick and concise way. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, 839 megabytes. That's what it was on. That's what it is. But some people are saying like gigabytes, so it might not be that big of an update. But I think I said the same thing. I said the same thing for iOS 16 beta 5, and then yeah. How many betas will there be? Love your videos. They're very informative. Thank you. So betas, I think next week. So iOS 17 beta 5 this week, obviously. Well, we just got it. So yeah, next week I think it's gonna be iOS 17 beta 6, then beta 7 the week of the 21st, and then beta 8 the week of the 28th. So that means that, and beta 8 will be the last beta that we get, and then nothing the week of the 4th, and then I believe September 12th, because Mark Gurman said September 15th, or not September 15th, excuse me. He said September 22nd for a release of the iPhone 15 lineup, so that makes September 12th or September 13th. I'm predicting September 12th for the event for the iPhone 15 lineup. That's when we get the RC, and then they usually release iOS, the iOS, they usually release the final versions on a Monday, so that would be Monday the 18th. So we're just about a month away from everything launching, so that's cool. Build is 21A5303D, so, D, so that means, don't take that out of context. Please do not take that out of context, my god. Okay, but a D build means that we're getting, so the lower the letter is, the closer the letter is to A, the more stable it is. So that means that That means it's getting closer, I guess. 1.05 or 1.05 gigs for the iPhone 13. I thought the iPhone 15 is getting delayed. Looks like that's not the case anymore. I believe it looks like September 22nd. The entire iPhone 15 lineup, 15, 15 Plus, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, all of that is coming September 5th or September 22nd. That's when it releases. September 12th. I'm betting September 12th for the event. So yeah, 1.03 gigs on the 13 Pro Max. Oh wait, I looked away and it's installing. There it is. I looked away and it's installing now. Okay. Yeah. When's iPadOS 17 public beta 3 releasing? Hopefully in the next 24 hours or so. Public betas will be releasing. So yeah. Oh, okay. Yours is installing, so you can stream all soon as well. But okay, let me do the thing. Let me do the thing. For let me put in the chat like beta 5 is installing right now. Beta 5 is installing right now. That's finally it's quieting down. That's why you can't see the screen. Yeah. Oh, your most popular short hit 10k likes. That's nice. Yeah. By the way, one of the shorts that he posted, I made the title for that. It was like Another Day, Another Dub or something like that. Yeah, I made the title for that, so I take full credit for that. There we go. Alright, so there you are. So now let me see macOS. So let's see the macOS. Hopefully they release the macOS software. Oh, why does it always... Dude, there's like this remember me thing. I always check that. It never remembers it. And there's no configuration profiles. It still says beta 4. Release, or the IPSW files, it still says beta 4. Release notes is still beta 4. So, yeah. Yeah, that's weird. Weird there. When I go back to school, actually 1 week from today. So this might be the last beta installation I do, unless by chance they release beta 6 Monday. If they release beta 6 Monday, I'll be able to cover it. But if they release it on Tuesday, I will not be able to cover it, and any betas going forward. So any betas going forward after this, it's not guaranteed. Not guaranteed. But yeah. So there you go. How do you feel about the new detection mode point and speak feature in iOS 17? It's a great feature. Great feature for people who need it. So yeah, but I think honestly the most game-changing feature in iOS 17, the personal voice feature. Oh yeah, that's gonna be a game changer for many people. But I'm just thinking like personal voice combined with like the digital persona in Vision Pro. You basically just create a full person. You create a full person with personal voice and a digital persona. So, yeah. I want to install, but I'm scared about battery life. Battery life is, yeah, that's going to be interesting to see. Many people were complaining about beta 4, but again, I don't use iOS 17. Oh, whoa, okay, M3. Oh, the M3 specs have leaked. M3 lineup specs have leaked. But, yeah, I don't use iOS 17 on a daily basis. I just have it on this secondary iPhone. So, yeah, it's, yeah, I can't really attest for battery life. So, yeah. I feel like personal voice could be exploited. Potentially, but, yeah, I don't know about that one. Yeah. But personal voice, I don't think personal voice is supported on like A13 devices, because this is an A13 device, iPhone SE 3, or not SE 3, iPhone SE 2, and so it is not supported. It does not show up personal voice. But I tried on my, I did macOS Sonoma on the M1 MacBook Air here, and it worked. It showed up there. So yeah, rank 16.6. It looks good. That's good. 16.6 battery life is amazing. That's some words there. The iPhone SE3 battery life has been noticeable improvement over the SE2 battery life. So, yeah, that's I'm thinking of making a video comparing the SE2 to the SE3. Yeah, I'll compare both of them. SE2 versus the SE3. So yeah, 16.6 battery life is amazing. Getting around 6 hours of screen on time for or 6 hours of screen on and 2 hours of screen idle on iPhone 13, running beta 4 re-release. That's not bad, but I think like, yeah, that's not bad. On 14 Pro Max, so yeah, so that's probably gonna be a whole lot better. Thinking next iPhone I get is probably gonna be, I think the next iPhone I get might be like a Plus or a Max-sized iPhone, because my hands are pretty big and I want that big battery life. So yeah. Hello. I cannot pronounce your name. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna try to pronounce it. I'm sorry. Yeah. Hello there. I charged my phone around like 1 a.m. Yeah. I mean like yeah. I mean like I don't really even like charge the SE3 that much. So yeah. Yeah. Big hands. Max's best decision ever. Yeah, I'm thinking, because SE3 is very compact, but like I've tried like the iPhone 14 Plus and the 14 Pro Max in stores. They work pretty well with my hands, and there you go. It immediately connects. No, QuickTime actually worked for once. Let's give it up for QuickTime. It finally worked. This is the first time ever that I did not need to use AirPlay. It worked first try immediately after restart. That is the first time ever that has happened. So yeah, we are running, yeah, clap. Hang on. Yeah, so iOS 17 up to date, and it's running build 21A5303D. So there you go. So that's the build number. So let me check on X, because that's what it's called now. Let me check on X to see what's new with iOS 17 beta 5. Let's see what people have found so far. Let's see. Yeah, M3 specs have leaked. I think next video I'll do is probably on the M3 powered Max. So yeah, but let's see what's new in iOS 17 beta 5. Alright, let's see. iOS 17. Let's see. Nobody's tweeted anything yet on the betas yet. Alright, nothing that I've seen so far. Everyone's just saying, oh, beta 5 is out, that's cool. Yeah. So, nothing so far yet. Let's see wallpapers. This thing is getting so damn hot, it's crazy. No one's just tweeted on X. You mean X'd on X? It's stupid. Yeah. Wallpapers. Let's see wallpapers. Nothing really new with wallpapers. Emoji wallpaper, yeah, those are the same. It's taking a while to load because it's super hot right now. Oh my god. Yeah, nothing new for the wallpapers. Unity wallpapers, Pride, collections. Nothing new. Nothing new for wallpapers. Oh, Xcode 15 beta 6 released. So yeah. Alright, nothing new for wallpapers. Let's see. Hang on. Let's see if a personal voice shows up here, because this is an A13 device, and yeah, personal voice, it does not show up there, so that's interesting. That's a new icon for assistive access. That's a new icon there. See that's a new icon, I believe. So yeah, that's new. Oh, finally you're quieting down. Thank you. So I can actually speak. Thank you. Yeah. So there you go. I think nothing new changes. Well, we're gonna have to see. When people find changes, because that usually happens. Like sometimes, like with iOS 16 beta 5 last year, that's when we found out the battery percentage was back. So yeah. Oh, that's a new voice control icon. Well, oh wait, yeah, that's a new voice control icon. So new feature. Well, not new feature. New icon. New icon. Oh, there we go. They released. Looks like they released the IPSW files. So, we'll probably do macOS. There's supposed to be game mode in system code. Oh yeah, game mode. They talked about that in WADC with macOS, but I don't know. Don't think it's anywhere here because if I search up like game, no game mode. It's just game controller. So yeah, that's something. Yeah, nothing there. Let's see like AirDrop in handoff because they added the whole like handoff or like the transfer. Well, hang on, they don't have the thing where you bump two devices for the AirDrop. Check to see if YouTube Studio is updated. I've checked like many times. They still have not updated the YouTube Studio things for me. But hang on, yeah, there's no more like AirDrop. Like, oh wait, no, that's AirPlay. That's AirPlay. Yeah. There we go. Yeah. So yeah, bring devices together. So yeah, that's still there. Yeah, YouTube Studio is still not updated for me. So yeah, that sucks. But hang on, maybe it will never come for you. Probably not. Yeah. So yeah, there's nothing so far new about this. Let's see through like the system. Let's see podcasts. Nah, nothing really new there. Genius bar. Oh, wait, there's a new icon for the library. See that? It shows like a little podcast icon in the library. Something slightly new there. Something slightly new. No downloaded episodes. Yeah. There's like a little icon for the library. So yeah. 44 in the chat. Ooh, yeah. There's a lot of people in the chat here. Oh, that's a new thing. You see that? It shows like a little like progress bar for the thing there. Yeah. That's the Tales of Tech podcast. So what else? What else can we see? Let's see again. What have people found? If you found anything as well, let us know in the chat. Because yeah. What's new? That's the fun part of these streams. Like trying to dig through and see what's new. When there's nothing new, we sit here and cry. So yeah. So yeah, iOS. So macOS is tvOS is an E build. Everything else is the D build. So that means tvOS is a bit more unstable. Oh, Sonoma Beta 5 IPSW. Battery life might be improved. Yeah, hopefully. Oh, Mr. Macintosh just released the Sonoma Beta 5 IPSW files. So, which phone model do you have? This is an iPhone SE 2 that is specifically used for beta testing. Main phone I use is iPhone SE 3. Oh, Studio Display Beta. That's gonna be interesting because Studio Display Beta is gonna be usually Studio Display Beta. I use that for like digging through all the new features or like dig through the device list to see if there's any hidden devices. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna install macOS as well. Let me get the SSD and we're gonna install macOS. USB-A still, so yeah. Alright. Yeah, get the SSD plugged in and we're going to change the settings thing to general, other, and we're gonna do SSD. Oh, not that's my Time Machine backup. Dang it! Nope. We got to do library. There it is. So yeah, and install. All right. So how long is it gonna take? 24 minutes. That's not bad. All right, we're gonna do that. We're doing that. So is iOS 17 still taking up 30 gigs after downloading? Let's see. So we're gonna go settings, general, iPhone storage. A lot of this device is photos because they take photos of my newly born nephew. 9.81 gigs. So well, it's still like it's almost 10 gigs though. That's still a lot. So yeah, safe enough for main device yet? Well, I'm gonna keep testing it, see if it is. Which phone? iPhone SE 2 is what this is installed on. SE 3 is the main device. So yeah. Anything new in here? Nope, nothing new here. Let's see. So, alright, let's see what people have found here. I use beta as the main device, no issues. This is the first Yeah, I've not installed beta on my main device, so yeah, this is just secondary device. Yeah, battery health on here is 84%, so that's what you're wondering here. 84%. Apple don't have release notes. Release notes have not been released yet for beta 5, so or at least I don't think they have been released yet. Let me check. Refresh the developer portal. Oh, they updated the developer portal with the new stuff. Oh, I need to install the device support for beta 5 for macOS, so I'll have to do that here in a second. Oh, they released the release notes. The release notes are here. Hang on. There it is. There's the release notes. First off, let me see. 21 minutes. All right, we're good. All right, so we got release notes here in beta 5. All right. Oh yeah, these are new release notes. Okay, here we go. So, as new features, AirPods, new features. Personalized volume slider might show up. So, yeah, we got release notes. Reboot the machine. They say reboot the machine. Well, I mean, if it's a Mac, then yeah, I mean reboot the machine. Yeah, Studio Display, beta. Oh, new features and assistive access. Assistive access can be configured, enabled to end assist. Oh, well, it's the same thing. So that's the same how it's always been. So yeah. Oh man, it's going back up. Dang it. It's being. Oh, they still have the issue with the iPad 6th Gen Wi-Fi cellular. Yeah. Center stage issues with Studio Display. Stereo explicit language filter can't be enabled. Lots of new features for app development. That's good. No, that's beta 4. It says beta 5 up here. You see. Well, it says beta 4 here, but it says beta 5 here. So, yeah, it's interesting. They're probably still updating it, so that's why it still says beta 4 there. Content caching, FaceTime, Apple TV, health app, clinical records, health app on simulator, health medications, home widgets, image IO, things new. Refresh. No, it still says beta 4, so what if I clear the caches? Where's empty caches? Let's do that. No, it still says beta 4, so yeah. 2G cellular is selected after enabling lockdown mode. 2G cellular. Oh man. Meshing. Metal. Some things there. Deprecations. New stand kit has been removed. Oh my god. Why is the construction have to be that loud? Does iPad 9th Gen get the iPad OS 17? Obviously, yeah, it does, because Apple's still selling it for some reason, so yeah. Check networking, media, and messages release notes. Let's do that. Yeah, Command F. Networking. Not networking. Networking. There we go, networking. No, new features. Yeah, iPhone, iPad running, showing wired A02 1X, Apple TV devices also support wired. Okay, so that's well, I mean, it's something new for iOS 17 in general, I think. So when will iOS 17 be released to the public? I'm betting September 18th, most likely. September 12th for the release candidate. But if the event's on September 12th or September 13th, which it's looking like Mark Gurman's saying that, September 12th or 13th, I'm betting September 12th. That means release for iOS 17 September 18th or September 19th, and then iPhone 15 releasing to everyone on the 22nd. Pre-orders on the 15th. Look at system services on the iPhone. Yeah, let's look at that. Privacy, security. Or hang on, let me look at the system services. Or hang on. Let me look at the system added on. Hang on. Yeah, I don't think they have that. Hang on. So media. Let's look at media. Yeah, AirPods. There we go. Media. Added support for managed media source on macOS and iPadOS. As support for preview on iOS, so that's something new. And messages. Let's see messages. Messages. There you go, messages. New features, sticker pack, appear invoked from the outside messages for such as. Oh wait, so stickers. So stickers can be in other apps. It's saying so. Hang on. Fix so many Swift errors, all app developers can be thrilled. Yeah, it seems like it. So yes, nothing under like system settings or system services or whatever that is. So hang on, let's apparently there's like some sort of new thing with so if like we go into like freeform here, it says this is one of the things that said emojis can be used as like stickers. It can. Wait, what? Wait, what? It can be used as stickers. Was that a thing before in iOS 17 beta 4? Bill is 21 like 5303D, I believe it was, if I remember correctly. But was that a feature in iOS 17 beta 4? You can like take these things as like stickers. Let me grab an emoji that expresses my my thoughts about this. There you go. Yeah, is that a feature before where you could use stickers in any app aside from messages? I think that's new. I think that's a new feature. So that's interesting. New feature, I guess, potentially. Yeah, that's probably new. Lots of new features in macOS. Well, that's gonna be interesting because we're installing macOS here. Again, when macOS finishes installing, we're gonna move to the 2009. Oh man, speaking's hard. English is hard. We're gonna move to the 2009 iMac. Nailed it. For streaming, because we tried to do macOS installing before with beta 4, but it sucked because it killed the whole stream. So we're gonna do it on a different Mac, and I'm just gonna screen share my MacBook to the iMac, and hopefully it'll work. So yeah, new features macOS for iPhone widgets. Oh, was that there before? Not quite sure. Okay, well we're gonna keep looking through the iOS release notes. Still metal ray tracing. Yeah, there was like things talking about how the iPhone 14 Pro A16 Bionic chip that was gonna have like ray tracing support. Maybe but that got canceled. So maybe iPhone 15 Pro will have RTX potentially. I don't know. Maybe that explains why they're doing like the Metal 3 Metal FX upscaling things last year. So when using iPhone 14 or 14 Pro, continuity camera gesture detection can stop working when center stage is enabled. Yeah, that's interesting. Passcode options. When changing devices passcode options cannot be changed from numeric to alphanumeric. Software update. Certain 2017 iPad models might fail to update to iOS 17. Well, iPadOS 17. We'll revert back to previous OS. These iPads can be updated by erasing iOS 16 variant. Excuse me. Yeah. So yeah. Certain 2017 iPad models. So you mean the only two iPads are 2017 iPads are supported with iPadOS 17? Oh man, why does it have to be that loud? Oh my god. New Swift features, yeah, so app devs are going to be ecstatic about that. So, known issues. There's a lot of known issues here. Yikes. Swift UI, some things there. Yeah, Swift UI outline. Yeah. UI kit documents, video effects, Vision, not to be confused with Vision Pro, wallpaper, Yeah. Placeholders, Wi-Fi, connecting continuity camera, widgets, dragging lock screen widgets, so lock screen area might not work. Yeah. Alright, that's all interesting stuff. Is sideloading coming now, or is that coming later in iOS 17? I believe Craig Federighi talked about that in the talk show live with John Gruber. If you see that, and let me pull that up here, youtube.com. Let's just look that up here. Talk show live WWDC 2023. We're gonna look that up. Craig Federighi talked about that in the talk show. So Blitz round. There we go. There it is. Yeah.
Heading into next year is our regulations in the European Union. One of them.
So Blackwell definitely didn't get European competition regulation.
Yeah. Alright, so sideloading mandated.
Hats off to you.
Yeah, some Android user like screamed in the audience. That's cool. So yeah, he talked about how apparently.
Comment, which is, we want to make sure that whatever we do is the right thing for our customers, the safety of our customers. We are working with the EU on what safe compliance would look like.
So yeah, apparently they're working with the EU, whatever that means. So yeah, message support now supports machine learning-based pre-fill titles for events and reminders. That's cool. So yeah, sideloading. That's what we're doing. That's what they're doing for sideloading. Apparently they're working with the EU. Apparently. So yeah, well, I accidentally dragged out the release notes in a different window here. Yeah. All right, so that's what they're doing to that apparently. All right, so let's see what else can we see here. What is the progress on macOS? 9 minutes. Okay, we're good. we can still talk about some things. So yeah, cycling coming to iOS. Cycling, don't know exactly. Oh, the cycling features in watchOS 10. I assume alongside watchOS 10. I'm not quite sure about that, but yeah. Alright, so let's see, what else? What else? Have people found anything like battery percentage or whatever? Like when they brought back battery percentage in iOS 16. They're still doing the construction work, my god. Alright, so let's see here. If you know, you know. Let's see, what else? Keep going, man. Thank you very much. Beta. Well, wait. There's new. Hang on. So in here, in Beta 5, you can now select live wallpapers, which were only displayed in the selected shuffle, which means there are now 27 different live wallpapers. Oh, so new live wallpapers in macOS Sonoma Beta 5. So that's gonna be interesting when we install that. So yeah. Yeah. We're gonna keep digging through this. Place your bets. What month will Vision Pro come out? I'm betting January or February, something like that. That's when Vision Pro will come out. Don't quote me on that though. Alright. New search animation. What? Oh, new search animation? It does seem a little different. It does seem a slightly different. Need more wallpaper. iOS 17 Beta 5. Yeah, we need new wallpapers. Did I change the control center yet? Same thing. Same control center that we know. New wallpaper? No, there's no new wallpapers. We checked that. No new wallpapers. Scrubs code for new lines codes will update if anything found. Okay, good. Thanks for that. Alright, yeah, we looked through wallpapers, same wallpapers as your IPSW file through a script. Yeah, we're gonna see that. We're gonna see if there's anything new here. What about notification center lag? Is that still lagging? There isn't really any sort of like. I mean, I can't really test it out here because this is going to have like a main device. So yeah, I mean, don't really think that's about to happen there. Yeah, new search, slightly different search animation in beta 5. Yeah. Which iPhone model? This is iPhone SE2. It's running on. It's running on iPhone SE2. So yeah. Streaming right now. So yeah, iPhone SE2 it's running on. Side loading, you see? Better come. Yeah, yeah, well, it's only gonna come to EU by the looks of it, so it's not gonna come out it's not gonna come out during like to US or whatever, so it's only gonna be EU thing. So yeah, it's only gonna be EU thing. That's side loading. So yeah, still on your personal device. Yeah, this is not my personal device. This is SE2. I'm using SE3. So yeah. Yeah, SE3 still on 16.6. App launch smooth. Yeah, let's see that. So just open up Safari. Oh, Tenkan Club. Oh yeah, this is the new like features personal voice. Yeah, I mean app launch is let's do Geekbench. Yeah, Geekbench. But I mean app launching feels smooth-ish. Let me well, this is SE3 versus SE2, so it's not really a fair comparison. But let's just like close out all of our apps here. But like I have a lot of apps open on my phone. Hang on. Oh my god, why do I never close close them out? My god. Alright, there we go. So like yeah, I mean it's faster than the SE3 obviously because it's an SE3, but I mean yeah, it's still smooth. So yeah. How you got that perspective wallpaper in iOS 17? Like you mean this is the default wallpaper in iOS 17, but if you're talking about this one, this is the iPhone SE2 wallpaper. I just downloaded it off the internet. But here, yeah, there's nothing really new for wallpapers here. So, yeah. Stability good. I mean, it's working fine right now, at least. Yeah, it's working fine right now, at least. So, yeah, I mean, stability is, pretty good. There's new search animation, slightly different search animation. So, yeah. New feature. I mean, like, there's, like, apparently, like, it looks like there's some, like, new freeform features where, you can, like, put emojis on the freeform board. So that's kind of cool. If I, like, open up a keyboard and, like, I can, like, drag out emojis to it. Yeah. It's talking about movement, which is 3D layering and wallpaper. Oh, this one? Yeah, that's the default iOS 17 wallpaper. Yeah. Yeah, it's the default iOS 17 wallpaper. Photo extract, subject background, works in beta 4 now. In beta 5. Don't really know the best way to test that without like, because the only photos I have on here are hidden, because they're of my newly born nephew, and I don't want to leak him. Like this is a photo of the new emojis coming in like iOS 17.4. Subject lift works well. Let's like open up freeform here. Yeah, subject lift works pretty well here. So yeah. Any new changes in iMessage? Let me test that, but first let me like cover up. There you go, you can see I have that talk show there. Let me cover up the screen here so that I don't leak any of the messages. Yeah. Let's see. So like, there's like new icons in the Messages app, like in beta 4. Yeah, I can't really see anything new in like beta 5. So messages, I think, is just about the same for messages. So yeah. Photos app, set live wallpaper. Can you flip it like an iPad? No, you can't do that. Photos app live wallpaper. Let me find a live wallpaper for me to use with that. So live photos. This is when I was at the Wonder Museum. That was a good time. So let me airdrop that. Let me airdrop that to this. Wonder Museum was so cool. Alright, yeah, let me airdrop that to this. 3D effect when you move the whole iPhone. Oh, that? I don't think that... Yeah, it does not... I don't think it works here. Let me, yeah, let me try that again. Let me, customize. Depth effect. I don't think... correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think that exists anymore. Or oh, it's glitched. It's glitched here because it shows up on QuickTime. It does not show up on... Or actually, no, it does show up on the phone screen. But it's only... You see the settings, like a little 1 dot in the page dots as well. Those move, but the wallpapers and the icon does not. So, yeah. But what is happening right now a few seconds ago? Well, yeah, I have no idea. Yeah, so, yeah, here's a live wallpaper of when it was at the Wonder Museum. Let's set that as a wallpaper. Oh, this is a live. Yeah, motion not available, not supported as a wall. Motion from this live photo is not supported as a wallpaper. Oh, come on. Really? It's not supported? Come on, that looked cool though. Come on. Yeah, there's no motion of live wallpaper apparently. That sucks. Standby get an update. Let me check it. I don't know if it'll work over QuickTime, but let's just... Well, again, why does it still show the iOS 15 wallpapers in this display and brightness thing? It still says iOS 15 wallpapers. Will you be getting a Vision Pro development kit? No, because, well, I'm not developing any apps for Vision Pro. But if no, I'm not getting a Vision Pro development kit. So, yeah. But from what I know, the Vision Pro development kits, like if you're developing an app, those Vision Pro development kits are free, which you kind of have to be because Vision Pro has not been FCC authorized yet, so it can't be legally sold until authorization's obtained. So, yeah, it's like free. Apparently, that's free. But if I do develop apps for Vision Pro, I don't know, I might like go to like one of those like labs they have, where you can go to like certain labs, in like Cupertino or whatever, and test out Vision Pro development kits by yourself. So I might do that if I do that. But I'll definitely. You're an app developer? No, I'm not an app developer because I'm not developing any apps for Vision Pro. So, yeah. And plus, you need like an Apple developer account. I do not have that, so yeah, I don't have that. So I can't. So even if I wanted to, I can't really do it. So, yeah, whatever. I might. If I were to, perhaps, then I might, do the thing. I don't know if like I might I don't know, do that. Development kit has such harsh conditions. It has to be stored in a locked room where no one authorized can see the headset. Yeah, you have to be in it has to be, when you're not using it, it has to be in a Pelican case. It has to be in a Pelican case, and nobody, not your family, not your friends, nobody can see it unless they're authorized to see it. So, yeah. and like they apparently use like an air tag to track where it goes apparently. So yeah, it's really, I mean, like, from what I know, it's like similar to how they do with like the iPad as well or something like that. So yeah, unauthorized personal device can be fined up to $5,000. My God, that's like, yeah, that's $1,500 more than what the Vision Pro itself is worth. So yeah, yeah, um, yeah, yeah. Standby does not work over QuickTime, so I can't test that right now. Yeah, so yeah, yeah. Wonder, yeah. But I'm definitely gonna try out Vision Pro when it first comes out. When it comes out in early 2024, I'm definitely gonna try one out in like an Apple store or whatever. But like even when you're buying a Vision Pro, even when you're buying a Vision Pro, it's like it's still going to be a very tedious process. You have to place your order on like an Apple Store app, and then you have to pick it up in the Apple Store to get your size like fitted right for Vision Pro. You cannot have it shipped to you. You have to have it in Apple Store and have it sized right for your head. So yeah, it is very much like, yeah. Oh, you can run 9 VMs at once on your Apple Silicon Mac. That's interesting. Special rooms for Vision Pro for similar reasons for Apple privacy. To be honest, Apple disappoints me. The iPhone 13 is later 14. If it's the same chip, they give action with the 13 with updates. Also, no 120 hertz on the 15. What a bummer. Yeah, I mean, like, really, the big thing I'm excited for the iPhone 15 is just USB-C. USB-C. Get rid of Lightning for the love of God. Yeah, but yeah. They're building special rooms for you to test Vision Pro for similar reasons because of the privacy inside the Apple stores. Really? Like well, I mean, like they're like in special labs. They're building special labs for Vision Pro for developers to test out their stuff on. They built like a special. They built like a special room for the media to try out Vision Pro. So yeah, yeah. So that's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be interesting to try one out. Yeah. Hopefully I can try one out in like an Apple store or whatever. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. Nice. Wait, Beta 5, updated to Beta 5. Signal bar is gone. What? Antenna Gate Part 2, whatever. You got Antenna Gate Part 2 on the iPhone 13. Oh yikes, that's gonna be man. Oh man. Okay, so wait, hang on. So you can run multiple VMs on on a Apple Silicon Mac for virtualizing VMs. Oh, macOS 14 is installed. Okay. So macOS 14 is installed. So new features. New features so far are kind of not a lot to work with. So, yeah, but hang on, we're gonna move to the iMac, 2009 iMac. We're gonna move to that so we can install macOS 14 here without effing up the iMac, or not the iMac, the stream, because we tried to do that for iOS, or not iOS, macOS 14 beta 4. It did not work. So yeah, it did not work at all. Well, I mean, like, it worked, but it like killed the stream. So we're not doing that again. No way, Jose. So yeah, you can create multiple macOS VMs at once. I can't do that because I only have 8 gigs of RAM. But yeah. Well, I mean, like, I can probably do like 2 VMs. But hang on, what? Yeah. Thinking next Mac, I guess probably gonna be 16 gigs of RAM, something like that. Oh wait, you can run macOS Monterey as a virtual machine on M2 Pro. M2 Pro doesn't even support like macOS Monterey natively, so that's interesting. That's interesting. I thought it was not gonna be supported because it was like too new. Okay, hang on. We're gonna unplug carefully. Come on. Unplug the iPhone carefully. So if you see the screen for the iPhone go back Go black. There it is. Come on. This. Okay, there we go. Okay, don't take any of those sounds out of context, please. Okay, thank you. Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Yeah, new features. There's some small new features in beta 5. Apparently, there's some bigger new features in macOS, which is what we're going to test out right now. So here we go. So let's plug the iPhone into the iMac. Knowing this iMac, it's probably going to auto launch OS 10 photos. Yep, there you go. It launches OS 10 photos. Dude, I hate this so much. OS 10 photos. Why? Why does OS 10 photos need to do its thing? Welcome to photos. Yeah, I'm gonna quit out of photos here. Alright. So, hang on. Where's the OBS? Let's do QuickTime on the iMac. It's running kind of slow, but whatever. Yeah. Does adaptive noise cancellation work yet? I can't test that because I don't have AirPods Pro. So yeah, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to see. That sound could be like a ringtone. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do the iMac. Come on, stay on my phone. All right. We're going to do the iMac, new movie recording, and we're going to load up the iPhone QuickTime on the iMac. There it is. Okay. Why does OS 10 photos still show? Okay, well, I'm going to keep it open because it's like begs to be open. Okay, so here we are. We're going to move to the iMac here in a second. Okay, so we'll move to iMac here in a second. So stream is gonna go black here in a second. It's gonna buffer. It's gonna buffer a little bit, but we'll be back on the iMac if everything works well. Okay, if everything works well. So yeah, what's your opinion on devices like Cyberplex allowing you to control devices like TVs, even cars or electronic devices? I've never heard of those devices, but it sounds cool. Oh, to answer your question about the noise cancellation, they released new AirPods Pro and AirPods Max developer beta, so maybe that has the new noise cancellation features. I don't know. Alright. So we're going to be right back. I'm going to run the be right back thing. So we're going to be right back here in just a second. For now, you enjoy the be right back thing. Okay, we're back. We're back on the iMac, I think. Okay, we're back. We're back on the iMac, I think. Yep, we're back. Alright, that was easier than I thought. That was way easier than I thought. Alright, and we're back with everything here. So, this is OS 10 El Capitan for you. Yeah. Spotlight new? Spotlight, it's like a, I don't know, slightly new. It's like a different animation, you see? Different animation. Yeah. But yeah, for those wondering about the specs of this iMac, let's go to About This Mac. It's, come on, load please. It is very slow. But, it's an early 2009 20-inch. It's basically the base model of everything except for the RAM. 8 gigabytes of RAM. So, yeah. Alright, we're going to load up screen sharing on the MacBook. AirPods firmware beta just got released. Let me turn off auto lock on the iPhone. Alright. So we're going to do that. We're going to do screen sharing on the MacBook. So we're going to do that here in a second. So hang on, let's do the thing finder. There it is. There's my MacBook. Share screen. It still shows the old MacBook Air icon, obviously, because it does not recognize like the new MacBook Airs. It's way before the new MacBook Airs. Signing and security has a new icon. Do you see that? Oh wait, it does. Hang on. Subtle differences in Beta 5 and iOS 17. Yeah, that's a good way to explain it. It's a subtle difference. So yeah. So privacy, security. I'm not seeing really anything new here. So yeah, I don't really see anything new there. Oh, connecting to my MacBook Air. Is it oh what? Oh, click on your name. Okay, hang on. Let me do that. Oh, sign in security. I see that. Oh yeah. Oh, it does have a lot of differences. Hang on. Oh, failed to connect. Hang on. We're gonna fix that in a second. Yeah, there's a lot of new icons here, and it's like I believe that's new text, bolder text. So new icons. Yay. Yeah, new icons. So hang on. So it's running on the AT&T Wi-Fi. I need to do the AT&T. Is it right? MacBook running AT&T? It is. So hang on. Let me unplug the USB-C. Move the MacBook closer. Move the keyboard of the iMac aside. Move the mouse of the iMac aside. Alright, we'll try this again. Share screen. Alright, we're gonna put that over that. So voice notes, voice memos. I guess when recordings are available, it shows new animation. Oh, that's interesting. There's definitely voice memos on this iPhone, so I can't show that. But yeah. Hang on, did I turn on screen sharing on my MacBook? Hang on. Let me make sure. Let me make sure I have that on. Sharing, screen sharing. Yeah, screen sharing is on. So all users. Let's turn it on to all users. Hang on, let me just enter in the thing here. Let me enter in the thing here. It's like what is it supposed to be? It's like what, VNC something. Yeah. Yeah, it's VNC. The VNC 192.168. Oops, and then slash. Okay. Open this page and screen sharing. There it is. Okay. Connect. Alright, it's connecting to it. Will you attend WWDC if you're given a chance? Oh yeah, 100%. But if I were to attend it, I might not be able to do a beta stream that day, because it's like in person, and plus there's also like a State of the Union event. Oh man, why does it have to be that loud? Yeah, it's definitely gonna be a lot, but I think I'll probably attend WW if I wanted to. So yeah, if I was given the chance. In person, yeah, I'd probably do that. Yeah, I might do that. So yeah. Okay, it's still doing. Unable to connect. If firewall is not blocking the screen sharing. Hang on. Let's do this again. Oh, there it is. It shows up like that. There, we're gonna keep the iPhone here. There we go. So if you want any more, when devs are invited, we have the option. Sometimes invite another person. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know about that. I might. I mean, yeah, I might do it. I might do it. I kind of regret not being able to do it this year because Vision Pro announced. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know when we could see like the next big Apple product. Like rumor has it the Apple Car will come out in like 2026, which is seems a bit too early for me. So yeah, but there's like the Apple Glass as well, the Air glasses, which Vision Pro I think is sort of like paving the path towards. So yeah, we might have that as well. Unable to connect again, my God. So something is remote computers available and the firewall is not blocking the screen sharing. So what is that supposed to do? So, hang on. Firewall not blocking the screen sharing. So hang on. So we have the iOS thing there. Let's actually move this over here. They're both on the same Wi-Fi, so that's not an issue there. Chrome switching to a weekly security patch. Oh, Chrome switching to a weekly security patch. That's good, I guess. Whoa, an iPhone 15 Pro. Yeah. Alright, let me restart my MacBook. First, let me eject all the SSDs. Let me make sure they're ejected, because sometimes it will like not ejected properly or whatever. Okay, good. They're ejected. And let me restart it. I'll increase the volume so you can hear the boot sound. Increase the volume so you can hear the boot sound. Alright, restarting. Oh wait, your screen's currently being observed. Hang on, pause. It says your screen's currently being observed, so it says it's working. It says it's working, but it does not want to show up here, so try it again. I'm going to try it again. If it doesn't work, I'm restarting the MacBook. Have you had any issues with the media on Beta 5? Nothing really to report for issues so far. Yeah, nothing really to report for issues. Oh man, it's very hot in this room. It's 83 degrees. Okay, yeah, it's not working here. So I'm going to restart the MacBook. It still says your screen is currently being observed, so I don't know. Oh, it's because it's OBS. I got it, yeah. There we go, it's off. Turn it back on. Did not play the boot sound. What? Okay. I have the boot sound on, but it's did not play it. Dang it. Okay. Yeah, it's go. Alright, yeah, we gotta enter on the password and then do it again. There we go, we're back in. Same Wi-Fi network. It's good to have OBS in here so that, yeah, because we're not streaming off of the MacBook anymore. Alright, so we're gonna do this again, share screen. I did this in the test stream. It worked fine on the test stream, so I don't know why it's not working here. Hang on. Okay, well, it looks like we're back. Hang on. Yep, we're back. We're back. Okay, we're good. Alright, iMac disconnected from the Wi-Fi there, so yeah, I don't know why it disconnected from the Wi-Fi. Because like 802.11ax, or not ax, A211n card in here, so yeah. If it doesn't work, I have a backup idea. I have a backup idea for this. But still not connecting. Yeah, the backup idea might require us to restart the stream again. So yeah. Alright, yeah, we're gonna have to see how this worked. Failed to connect. Make sure remote and firewall is not blocking the thing. Okay. I mean, like, it is on and working, so I don't know. Sharing. Screen sharing, yeah. All these things, yeah, we need to. Yeah, it's working, so it should be very easy. Oh, thank God it finally, the construction noise is quieter now, so yeah. Yeah, it's not gonna work, I don't think. Yeah, man. Yikes. Yeah, so I think we're probably gonna have to skip macOS again for another week. Still not working here. Yeah. Yeah, AirPods build 3, build beta 3 is out. So something. Yeah, it says the normal computer's available, so I don't know what's up with this. Yeah, we should probably have tested this a bit before we start. Okay, we're gonna move back to the MacBook, I think, for the streaming. So we're gonna disconnect again, and then we'll be right back right after this. Yes. All right, we're gonna be right back here in just a second. So stream's gonna stop, and then we're gonna go back again. So see you in a second. All right, we're back. We're back. I think. Try again. I forgot to need to unmute the mic. All right, we're gonna try. We're gonna try to install it. Try to install it on stream on the MacBook. Stream on it while installing it at the same time, but I don't think there could be a chance that'll break. So yeah. Oh, try it again. Plug it in. There it goes. Oh, I forgot. I need to install the support software as well. So yeah. I'm gonna do this. News. Software releases. View downloads. Oh man. Again, yeah. You saw the remember me thing is checked. It does not remember. So yeah. Oh wait. Oh, that's a beta 4 thing, so I already have that installed, so don't need to install it again. Alright, so if it works. So yeah, we're gonna do UTM. Or actually we're gonna open, because I have one here, macOS 14 UTM. Alright, so boot, browse, macOS 14 beta 5. Okay, alright. Now we're installing beta 5, so hopefully it does not kill the stream. Are you seeing any glitch in the app library? Oh, I forgot. Still connected. The iMac is still connected through the iPhone. Come on. This thing has like why are cables so hard to thank you. Alright. There we go. Got it unplugged. Plug it into the MacBook. Alright, so it's not. Alright, well, hey, good thing that there's a little like spinning progress bar, so that if it breaks, then we know it breaks. Alright, we're gonna cover up the webcam. There we go, we're back. We're back. And it's installing. There we go. Alright, monitoring the stream. Because we're doing it like what? We're installing macOS 14, streaming it, and mirroring this iPhone screen. So yeah, it's a lot that MacBook is doing. I don't blame it for. Actually, no, I do blame it for breaking last time, because it worked fine with macOS 13.5 or 13.4. I remember. Yeah, it worked fine with that. So I don't know why it's not working. Why it did not work last time. So yeah. Okay, yeah, it's iMac is what I'm monitoring. I'm monitoring the stream on. So let's try this again. 56, 57. Alright, yep, alright, we're monitoring it on the iMac. Alright, yeah, so I'm going to change the title of the stream if it works. If it installs here perfectly fine, I'm gonna change the title of the stream to iOS 17 and macOS 14 beta 5 installation. So yeah, all right, we're 81%. This is where it broke last time, so do not break. That was wood, yeah. Alright, here we are. $81. I don't know why it always sees at 81 and then doesn't go up for some reason. But it's still okay. It's still working. It's still working. All right, so still at 81%. Any day now. 81%. Oh wait, hang on. Pause. We have breaking news. New feature discovered in iOS 17 beta 5. Hang on. Something new with the App Store. Oh, yep. Where's my cursor? There it is. Yeah, so now these like get buttons, these open buttons, these are now lowercase. Wow. big new feature. with this iOS 17 beta 5. No, I don't want Apple Arcade. Yeah, but like now it's all lowercase now. So yay. Cool. 90%, so we're almost done. Should go from 90 straight to 100, and then we should be good. And yeah, almost done here. Stream's looking good. Almost done. Come on. And come on. If 3 different devices monitoring, or 2 different devices monitoring the stream to make sure it does not break. I forgot. I think the iPhone still connected to hotspot. No, it's not connected to hotspot. Okay, we're good. Still 90%. It's slower on this SSD instead of the MacBook SSD because it's like what USB 3, and the MacBook SSD is like what it's like 3,000 something download. Yeah. So it does take this time. It's taking its time, but yeah. But whatever. It's fine. But I think I can also do it on Parallels desktop because I have Parallels desktop installed in here. So it's working. It's working. This is macOS 14 beta 5 booting up here in the virtual machine on the Apple Silicon M1 MacBook Air. We might finally have it working. Finally after trying it out on like beta 3, beta 4, finally, beta 3 it failed because it was I don't have a storage. Beta 4 it failed because it killed the stream. Beta 5 it might finally be working. Come on. Oh, we got a cursor? We got a cursor? There it is. It's back. We got it. It's working. Alright, we got macOS 14 beta 5. Let me wait, hang on. There's some new features in iOS 14 or iOS 17 beta 5. We're gonna look at that in a second. Here we are. Let me change the title of the stream to iOS 17 and Mac OS 14. And macOS 14 beta 5 installation. There we are. We're back. We're here. We have it. All right, we're good. Here we are. So English, yes. Language chooser. It still shows up there. Alright. Select your country or region. Yeah, the new animations in macOS Sonoma. This is like I tried every beta of macOS Sonoma now, except for I think beta 2. That's the only beta I haven't tried yet. Actually, no, I have tried beta 2. Never mind. I think I haven't tried beta 3. And I haven't tried the beta 3, or I've tried the beta 3 re-release. I haven't tried the original beta 3. I had tried the beta 4, but not beta 4 re-release. So yeah. Alright, we can't even sign into Apple ID because Apple blocks the sign-ins for these virtual machines. Agree. Mac OS. Account name test. Not test. Test. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8. Very secure password. Alright. Alright, here we are. So come on. Creating account. I wonder actually, honestly, like, what if I just like try to edit a video on the 2009 iMac That would be cool. Enable location services so we can get the time zone. Continue analytics. Screen time. We're not even. This is gonna be deleted right after we're done with this. So share audio recordings now. Dark mode. Yes. Actually, no, I shouldn't have done that because it's gonna take forever. Alright, whatever. We're still doing it. It's done. It's done. Here we are. Here we are. We're back. There it is. There's the Sonoma wallpaper. From what I saw of the Beta 4 release, they brought back the real life images. So, that one YouTuber that took all the landscape photos of Apple wallpapers, he can do it again now with macOS Sonoma. So yeah, here we are. So taking a while for the menu bar to show up. We're just gonna open up system settings. Here we are. It's loaded up the app and it's still not showing up the menu bar. My God. Bringing up the SSD is not that. Oh, it's. I thought there was a new icon for about this Mac. There we are. So yeah, macOS 14, Apple Virtual Machine 1, macOS Sonoma, version 14.0 beta 23A5312D. So there you go. That's the. So yeah, there you go. So first off, what I want to see. Oh, there's a new like login password icon there. That I think is different from macOS Ventura. So yeah, at least macOS Ventura, that is. Oh, there's some new ones here. So I want to see the Sonoma one, because this is the one that was in the event. Yeah, new wallpapers in macOS Sonoma Beta 5. Yeah. So. Alright, we're installing. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah. So it's an option saying show as screensaver, so we can have it as a screensaver, or we can just have it as a wallpaper. So that's cool. There we are. There it is. Why is the menu bar still not showing up? There it is. Click wallpaper to show desktop items. So that's the new feature. So instead of needing to do like the hand gesture, you just do that. That is a really cool wallpaper for macOS Sonoma. So something new with the widgets. But for some reason it does not show up the menu bar. So wait, hang on, we can do the gesture, right? No, that only shows up for my main device. So is that worked there? So that's weird. That's weird. But the menu bar is just gone. The menu bar does not show up. What happened? The menu bar is just gone. But hang on, can I like access my screen from this macOS Sonoma VM? I think I can. Or wait, hang on. What if I like access the screen on my iMac? Let's see. Let's set it up here. But yeah, so like new wallpapers, shuffle areas. I think that was there before actually. So yeah, I don't think that's new. Underwater, I think some of those are new. Some new cityscapes, landscapes, including Sonoma. Yeah, there you go. Those are new wallpapers in Sonoma Beta 5. Dynamic wallpapers, anything new there? Nope, just the same wallpapers. Alright, so let's set up the screen sharing. Let's see if it shows up on my iMac. Oh, that's new. That's new for macOS Sonoma at least. That's the new stuff there. screen sharing, let's turn that on. All users, sure. Alright, we're gonna set that up. So Finder, see if it shows up. Go home, go home. Computer, there it is. Network, nope, it does not show up on the iMac, but does it show up on the MacBook? Nope, it does not. Okay, does that show up on here? So I don't think it works. I don't think it works, but yeah. Okay, so there's that. They have this media sharing as well. So yeah, that's some new. That's the new user interface for sharing there. It's cool. Yeah, I'm just digging through, see what's new here. I think it detects that it is a laptop that's on and not a desktop, so it doesn't show it as like that. But yeah, no macOS Sonoma or screensaver yet, just Ventura Monterey. So yeah, damn it, the construction noise is back. Alright, yikes. Okay, yeah, so nothing really to note there. Oh, that's a new screen sharing thing. That's interesting. Connected to my MacBook Air. Okay, why not? But yeah, there's that, and it does not allow me to do the widgets. So yeah. Yeah, I don't really care about the screensaver, so we're not doing that. Alright, whatever. That's macOS Sonoma Beta 5. Just a quick walkthrough of that. I cannot test out most stuff because the menu bar is still not showing up. But yeah. Let's try to turn it off. Let's turn it off and turn it back on. See if the menu bar shows up after restarting the VM. Oh my god, why does it have to be that loud? Oh man, oh, it's slightly bugged there. It's okay, it's a beta. Yeah, so it does not like reset. It's just it's just a fixed thing there. There's the menu bar. Okay. Does not do like the dynamic thing though. It's not move the thing there. So yeah, there's the widgets. Let's just drag some out. There we go. Edit widgets. There we go. So any new widgets here? No. No new widgets here. Yeah, it's no new widgets here. Okay, well, yeah. Yeah, there you go. There's that, I guess. Yeah, now we can look at the about the Mac. There it goes. So there's the Sonoma 23A5312D. So there you go. All right, nothing really else to note there. So we're gonna shut it down. Pretty wallpaper that they have there, the real landscape wallpaper. So, and we're going to delete it. We're gonna delete it. Or actually, I think we can just delete the whole thing. There, we can delete that. And there's macOS 14 UH. Well, actually, no, we can keep it. I think we can keep it. But yeah, we're gonna. Hang on, let's eject macOS and eject the other two. Eject all. Alright. Alright, there you go. So that's iOS 17 beta 5 and macOS 14 beta 5. We did 2 in 1 finally. What a way to wrap up the beta season of installations. This is probably the last one I'll be able to do for iOS 17. That's unless by some miracle we get iOS 17 beta 6 next week on Monday. If we do, then expect to see me next week. But if we don't, then this is where I say goodbye for these streams. This is where I say goodbye for these streams. So yeah, next week is not guaranteed, but yeah. But if there's nothing next week, then this has been a great one. This has probably been the best one of the iOS installations, the iOS installation period, and so thanks for all joining for this. If this is the last one, and if it isn't, then I'll see you guys next week. So, but either way, I'll see you guys later for some new videos. So yeah, overall, that's it. See you guys later for either the next one or a different video. I don't know. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.